Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. How are you today? Today, I am here with Donna, and today we are going to talk about favorite movies.
Hello, everyone. I am very happy to be here today. Let's start our conversation.
Donna, do you like movies?
Yes, I do. I love watching movies.
That is great. I also enjoy movies very much.
Nice. What kind of movies do you like?
I like comedy movies because they make me laugh.
That sounds fun. I like comedy movies too.
Do you watch movies every week?
Yes, I usually watch 1 or 2 movies every week.
Wow, that is a lot of movies.
What about you?
I watch movies on weekends.
That sounds relaxing.
Where do you usually watch movies?
I usually watch movies at home.
Me too. Watching movies at home is comfortable.
Yes, I can sit on my sofa and enjoy snacks.
What snacks do you like when watching movies?
I like popcorn.
Popcorn is a classic movie snack.
Yes, it is.
Do you like action movies?
Yes, action movies are exciting.
I agree. They have many interesting scenes.
Sometimes they have fast cars and adventures.
That is true.
Do you like scary movies?
Not really. They are too scary for me.
I understand. I do not watch many scary movies either.
What is your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is a comedy movie.
Why do you like it?
It is funny and makes me happy.
That is a good reason.
What is your favorite movie?
I like an adventure movie
Why do you like adventure movies?
because they are exciting and interesting.
That sounds great.
Do you watch movies alone or with friends?
Sometimes alone and sometimes with friends.
Which do you prefer?
I like watching movies with friends
Why?
because we can talk about the movie after it ends.
That sounds enjoyable. What about you?
I like watching movies with my family.
Family movie nights are nice.
Yes, they are.
Do you have a favorite actor?
Yes, I do.
What do you like about that actor?
He is very talented and funny.
Nice. Do you have a favorite actress?
Yes, she is very good at acting.
That is wonderful.
Movies can teach us many things.
I agree.
Some movies teach friendship.
Some movies teach kindness.
Some movies teach courage.
That is true.
Movies are not only entertainment.
Yes, they can also inspire people.
Wilbert, what was the last movie you watched?
I watched a comedy movie last weekend.
Did you enjoy it?
Yes, I laughed a lot.
That sounds fun.
What was the last movie you watched?
I watched an adventure movie.
Was it good?
Yes, it was very exciting.
Nice.
What do you think makes a movie good?
A good story.
I agree.
Good actors are important too.
Yes, and good music.
Music can change the feeling of a movie.
Exactly.
Let's ask our listeners a question.
Great idea.
What is your favorite movie?
Please write your answer in the comments.
We would love to read your answers.
Yes, we would.
Now, let's learn some English vocabulary.
Great, let's do it.
The word movie means a film that people watch.
Example, I watched a movie yesterday.
Another word is actor.
An actor is a man who performs in movies.
Example, he is a famous actor.
The word actress means a woman who performs in movies.
Example, she is a talented actress.
Another useful word is scene.
A scene is a part of a movie.
Example, my favorite scene was very funny.
Great examples.
Thank you.
Let's talk about grammar.
Good idea.
We can say, I watch movies.
That is present tense.
Present tense talks about habits.
Example, I watch movies every weekend.
We can also say, I watched a movie.
That is past tense.
It talks about the past.
Example, I watched a movie yesterday.
Very good.
Let's look at another example.
I enjoy movies.
She enjoys movies.
Notice the S in enjoys.
Yes, we add S with he, she, and it.
That is a useful grammar rule.
It is easy to remember with practice.
Let's talk about pronunciation.
Great.
The word movie has 2 syllables.
Movie.
Very good.
Try saying it slowly first.
Then say it naturally.
Practice helps a lot.
If you are enjoying this conversation, don't forget to like and subscribe.
It helps our channel grow.
Thank you for your support.
We really appreciate it.
Donna, do you think movies are good for learning English?
Yes, I do.
Why?
Because we can hear real English.
That is true.
We can also learn new words. And we can improve listening skills. Exactly.
What advice do you have for English learners?
Start with simple movies. Good advice. Watch with subtitles if needed.
That can help beginners.
Then, try watching without subtitles.
Step by step.
Learning takes time.
But practice makes progress.
Absolutely.
Let's ask one more question.
Okay.
Do you prefer comedy, action, adventure, or drama movies?
Tell us in the comments.
We enjoy hearing from you.
Thank you for sharing your ideas.
Today was a lot of fun.
I enjoyed our conversation today.
We talked about favorite movies.
We also learned new English words.
And some grammar too.
I hope everyone learned something useful.
Thank you everyone for listening.
We hope to see you again soon.
Keep practicing English every day.
Small steps can make a big difference.
Have a wonderful day.
Stay happy and keep learning.
Goodbye everyone.
Bye.